Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a graphic makeup vlog. And if you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. I have Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of colors, specifically white and black. Those are going to be my shades for today. And it's going to be kind of classic look, but honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. I have eraser. This one is from Maybelline, some leftovers. My lids are primed. Let's set them with white eyeshadows from Maxi Reloaded palette. And again, I'm gonna grab the shade, tap it off, and set. So I'm gonna be going to my favorite MAC brush, and I described in the previous video why I love it so much. The shape is handy to use and it's thin. So look for thin and sort of like round shape brushes. I'm packing the brush with the color black from the same eyeshadow palette. Tap it off and sketching. So at first I'm going to start with sketching the look, and I want to do like a V shape. I'm not doing any pencil. Let's link both lines, and I'll thicken this line. And from the bottom of my lid, I'll do a little bit different line. And I'll stop somewhere here. Great. And then I'll smudge out the outer corner like this with the same colors. I do have some fallouts, so let's try to take them off. I always do protection with the paper, but today I was like, okay, we need just a little bit of color. And look at this, it's so messy underneath. I'll add a little bit of white powder underneath later. And with a little bit different brush, let's do something big and fluffy. I'll go with the same white eyeshadows. I'm gonna tap it off a little bit and place it on top of my black to set this black, because when you open your eye throughout the day, black eye pencil and black eyeshadows are gonna leave a lot of marks and over your lid. So we're gonna set it with a little bit different color. Now I want to add my black pencil over waterline, somewhere here. And I'll smudge out the black pencil. And in the inner corner, I'll add a little bit of white pencil over waterline. And let's set pencil with a brush. For the inner corner, I'll leave my white eyeshadows. Great. I have my powder, loose powder, and I'll add this underneath my eyes to coat my lashes. And I have my Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. If you have oily lids or maybe oily under eye area, the whole face is oily, it might leave some stains, and this trick with powder might help. I'll start with my Wet n Wild. This is very recognized. Let me tell you, this shade is super pretty and it looks good on me. The only problem, it's a little bit dry on the lips, so I'm going to be pairing this with other lipsticks. On top, I'll go with this Vivienne Sabo Charme de Vous 107. It's actually a really old lipstick and it's glossy. That's why I feel like it's going to be sheer without any matte lipstick underneath. Feels rough. With a lip brush, I blend this into my lipstick. I'm gonna add a little bit of Givenchy lip gloss to top it all and mix together. This is black, but it's not gonna give a black shade on top. I didn't want to add extreme amount of lip gloss. It's just to smooth everything out. And that said, guys, I'm gonna wipe off powder and I'll conclude the video. Well, guys, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. That is a little bit of graphic lines and makeup look. I love it, and I really love this color. It suits me really well. If you're wondering why red lipsticks are not working for you, you should probably try a little bit different color palette, maybe raspberry shade or, I don't know, some dark browns. They might work for you instead of red. I love you all so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye.